What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath colonial on Morley Avenue in Akron. It's a great street, but needs a lot of work. My contractors just left here and gave me a quote on what it's going to take to fix this property up. Okay? So this property needs pretty much a full rehab and gut. Definitely a lot of water damage. As you can see. So properties in this neighborhood are selling for $120,000 on up. Okay. So we'll be purchasing this property, or we'll be making an offer. When I leave from here, I'm going to make an offer and send it to the realtor who knows the seller and see if we can get our offer accepted. Look at this. But this is a day in the life for us. You buy houses in as-is condition. It does not matter the condition. So we don't charge any real estate commission fees. I mentioned the realtor is helping the seller. He's not listing it, but he knows the seller personally. So there wouldn't be a commission fee. Obviously, we would make it worth the realtor's time to refer us. So if you are a realtor that might know somebody in a similar situation, definitely keep us in mind. Also, we have a free real estate seminar coming up on September the 22nd from 12:30 to 1:30 in Uniontown. It's free to the community. We're going to cover and talk about everything real estate wise. So if you want more details, go to the website www.investparamount.com, or you can just contact me directly, 330-685-2220.